all know about searching, so I just want to have anyone to just share like what search techniques you use.
I like going to Google Scholar because I can type in a whole sentence and it'll come back with probably what I meant.
Okay, well I guess I should be more specific, like what, like operators, say like truncation, I'm giving away some now, but like specifically within a database, what do you use to get more relevant documents? Okay, quotes. Is this the right marker for this?
It beats up.
We don't know.
Alright. Anything else?
I use the title keyword here because that sometimes makes sure that whatever keyword I put in it says relevant.
Okay. That's what I didn't include, so limits. Okay. Anything else?
And date to go along with the title. And truncation.
There you go. Can you tell me what you know about truncation?
Well, if you type in a word and you put an asterisk at the end, it will use that base word that you type in and will add any ending to that word that you can possibly think of. So if you use moral, M-O-R-A-L, and put an asterisk, it will give you results for moral, morals, morality, any other word, any other form of wording.
Exactly. Any other tips, tricks? Does anybody actually use these on a day-to-day basis? I know like when I go into a database, I don't really get that specific right away until it gets frustrating.
I use and a lot.
There you go, Boolean operators.
Yeah.
Does anybody know, can anybody explain all three of the Boolean operators? Okay, I guess we'll leave it at that.
I mean, I could if you really want.
I know, it's tedious. But here's the three. We have and combines terms, or searches for them individually within a document, and not. So it finds a document that has the specific term you're looking for and disposes of the documents that don't include that term and give it a term. The next one would be truncation, which you explained before. It's an asterisk. It's known as the root expander. And here I have an example for child with an asterisk. We'll find child, children, childs, and children. Okay, wildcard, which nobody got, but I know you all know. And these are different in each database. Like I know each vendor has different specific symbols. I know some of them have like the cache symbol. But generally the question mark one will find a single missing character. So if you're looking for something like need or next, but you don't really know which one, you use the question mark. The hashtag wildcard represents a possible missing character. And we use this for British spellings too. Proximity indicators. A lot of people don't use these, but they are helpful if you're looking for something really specific. The near searches for words that are near each other, regardless of the order. Within, it finds words that are in the exact same order that you provide them. You know, you have an example. W3 is within 3 words. Some of them, I think, only go up to 5. It depends on the database, but I'm just running through this. Focus searching parentheses, which is kind of an obvious one that I think a lot of people didn't think of. And it kind of goes like, I don't know if anybody remembers PEMDAS from high school. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Things in parentheses go first, so it'll search what's in the parentheses first before it searches the other parts. The exact phrase, we explained earlier, it'll search for the exact words in the exact order. And now it's your turn. So you were not going to divide it into groups because I don't think there's really enough people. But using one piece of paper per person, I want everyone to come up with a search query or a query about how assessment can be measured in libraries using all of the different search techniques that you said before. And if anybody needs markers, I'm here for you. But you guys are going to really have to collaborate on it because you're all going to become one large query. You're going to have to stand up and get in order. Do you have any questions? You know what I'm saying? So each piece of paper will say if you're like looking for assessment, you would be assessment. You would write an assessment on your paper. Someone else could be another person can be libraries, and then two people can be one parentheses each. You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
So we're going to stand up and
Yeah.
make a search.
Yeah. So you really should be talking amongst yourself
I
about what
see.
order you're going to be in. So.
Oh. Okay.
I want to be a apprentice.
I'm gonna be a apprentice.
I'm going to be an asterisk.
Oh, I was going to be the F. All right.
I can be
You
open parenthesis, or I can be a closed parenthesis.
I'm going to be an and.
I want to be a non.
You get to be the
I
and.
don't know where he wants to be.
I'll be a closed parenthesis.
Oh, all right.
I'll be a non. Oh, so now I'm locked in. I'm
Someone
going to be
wants
a
a negative Lily, I'll be a
Oh,
non.
you be an
Someone want to be assessment?
I'll be assessment.
Yeah.
Someone want to be libraries?
I think you should be assessed,
Right? We're not just going to search for a strange
assess
So if we can
and
truncate
have
you.
and truncate.
Are
Same with
missing
libraries.
anything?
For a while, truncating you?
Yeah. Truncate the.
Truncate this.
Is anybody library or?
Truncate this. Library, good.
I need an asterisk.
Oh,
there she is. There she is.
Oh, I really wanted
I'll be an or.
Oh,
Too many knots. I'll be an or. Knots. Yeah.
Do you want to stand with John? So you can get like
Oh, and we have an uneven number of friends. We're just gonna. That was funny, man.
So nobody's taken one of the words yet? I could just do.
oh no,
I've
we
got
no.
assess.
We got a
You have
library
assess?
and we got assess.
Oh, we need another asterisk.
All right.
Yeah, there we go. Tom's the asterisk.
All right.
What's the or?
And we got our four.
Order now.
There was one
She's a
non,
non.
now it's a four.
He's a non.
I'm a not.
You're not. All right. What word? Oh, I was a non.
I'm not.
Not dogs.
Not drugs.
No dogs.
Dogs.
I know. With the or, we could have
Like assessment or
like
evaluation.
assess.
Or evaluation is standard. Or
Yes,
evaluation.
yes.
That's what she said.
Assess
That's
or
already.
evaluation
Alright,
in
I'll do
parentheses. I write books about this. I can
Right, you're assessed, so I'm right after you.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
And you are, yes. Yeah.
Stumbling over it.
Well, I think you just sort of said that, so that's
We're in 2 minutes.
Right, not dogs.
You might have to rein us in. Maybe we need to sit down.
So four would be next.
No, I'm an and.
No, yeah.
Yeah, no, no, stop.
No. What don't we have? Fill us in.
We're going this way.
We don't have a
Where's
closed
the assess?
She's here.
Okay,
There's
okay,
assess.
assess
Assess or
or
I can say
val.
die.
Use a
Assess
val.
or die.
Did we get the
Evaluate.
have
would
an
be next.
evaluate.
I'll do that if
you want to be the closed friend.
And
Yes.
not at the end. Like, how are you?
Okay,
Shouldn't it be
she's gonna be an eval. Assess
and
or
library?
assess or eval.
Eval, so.
Eval
Lori
within the
would be here,
parens.
And then we would have an asterisk after Lori.
Right.
And then
Oh,
we'd have
right.
closed parentheses after the asterisk.
Asterisk.
Yeah,
Asterisk
yeah,
parentheses.
we may have.
We need another person. What? There.
Yeah, we don't have.
There we go.
You're right.
We
All
don't,
right.
yeah, we don't have enough.
All
All
in
right,
one.
so,
This has got to be open.
so then we need our
focus.
John there. After eval,
And then-
before live, and then
And I
and
couldn't give up until we get it.
And then.
live, truncated,
No.
not dogs.
Not dogs.
So we have assessment, assess truncated, or evaluate, eval truncated, and library truncated, not dogs. I think it's great.
Let someone out. It's 4
Oh,
seconds.
it's fine. We probably could put and between after the asterisk as well for library, like library assess and library as well, or and.
Assess assessor
Could be either.
or
It's
Val.
well,
Assessor Val.
In
it's assessor or
parentheses.
Val. We'll take either of
Assessment
those.
and library as well as.
Well, no,
dialogue.
with the two things in the parens, the thing or thing, we'll take either of those things
Oh, that's right.
Or results.
and libraries.
So I guess I don't have.
Well, it's time's up, so it's over.
You have to type, you gotta type it in.
You need to take my course. Just kidding. But it's true.
Just kidding, but it's true.
We all need to take your course.